Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a fun little ribbon pour on this Christmas ornament. So I'm going to be using this nice copper paint, a turquoisey color, and a green. So those are just cheap craft paints. The copper, I didn't add anything to it because it's already quite thin. I don't want it to be running over the sides a lot. I'm just gonna layer my silicone cup. It wasn't dark before, but the sun has been going in and out. And unfortunately I don't have the means to get any studio lighting. So this is what we can work with. Hopefully I can lighten everything up in editing mode. We'll see. Let's add just a little bit more. Don't know if we'll need it, but so that's our cup. Nice layers. So let's get to pouring. So let's start pouring. So I'm really hoping that these colors work out, but I really do like the colors. I've got some round ones that I want to try. Probably do a ring pour on, so let's clean up, let them dry, and I'll show you the final result. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone!